Hey guys, my name is Sina. I'm a hair extension specialist, stylist, and brand ambassador for TO112. And today we're gonna recreate one of my personal favorite looks, the lived-in beach wave. Now that the hair is smooth and prepped, I wanna add some texture back into the hair. I'll take our dry texture spray and generously apply it all over the hair. Next, I'll take my first section, wave the hair, then seal it with our strong cold spray. I'll repeat these steps as we move along the head. Once the waves are complete, I'll go back in with the dry texture spray to mess up the look a bit more. Then add the strong cold spray to seal everything. Last, I'll add a drop of serum for some extra shine and refine the ends. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you were all able to take away something from this tutorial, and we'll see you soon.